Welcome for the all student in the Pratiksha Education Point. Today we are studying about the effect of the magnet as a carrying current. So now we see when the current carries in any conductor or coil, how to it work as a magnet and what is the magnetic effect by electric current. Unify two fundamental forces of power the modern world. Now we see next. Two distinct forces, two separate words. The words of magnetism, there we can see the word of the electricity. First we discuss about the magnetism. When we see the magnet having two poles, that is called north pole and south pole. North pole is seen as a red color and south pole is the other color. Now we see an object which attract places of the iron pieces, nickel pieces or the cobalt pieces. Every magnet has two poles, north and south. Fundamentals law. Like poles repel, unlike poles attract to each other. Now we see the fundamental of the current as working. The word of the electricity, we can see there is a circuit where is a cell is the positive terminal and negative terminal. There will be connected a bulb which are the blow up when the current flow in the circuit. Now the flow of the electric charge known as current I. The fundamental power source our device and the technology. Driving question. Are there two fundamental forces connected? Now we see next page. The breakthrough Oersted accident discovery. How to Oersted discover the magnetic effect and we can generate the electric field due to magnet. According to this, a compass needle deflects when the placed near a wire carrying an electric current. A compass is only affected by a magnetic field. An electric current created its own magnet field. The simple observation unfiltered the world of the electricity and the magnetism forever. Now we see the next. Visuality of the invisible mapping of the magnetic field. First, magnetic field. Magnetic field is denoted by capital V. The space around the magnet where its force can be felt. It is a vector quantity having both magnitude and direction. It means the magnetic field is a vector quantity. It carries magnitude as well as the direction. Now we are discussing about the magnetic field lines. Imaginary lines used to the represented the magnetic field. They reveal the field's direction and the strength. Now we see the property of the field line. The first property of the field line is the direction. They emerge from the north pole and measure at the south pole outside the magnet. Inside the magnet, they run from the south pole to north pole. The forming the continuous closed loops. Now we see the second. Now second we study about the strength of the magnetic field. The density of the lines indicate the field's strength. Where the lines are close together, crowded, their field is strong. Where they are far apart, the field is the weak. Where they are parallel, their field is the equal. Now we are discussing about the intersection. Two magnet field line can never cross each other. If the cross line crossed each other, there will be two direction, but there will be not possible two direction, so that two line not cut to each other. Now we see the logic of the north intersection. Why can two magnet field lines never cross? Because the direction of a magnetic field line at any point in the direction a compass north pole would point. If two lines were the intersect, it would mean that at that single point, the compass needle would have to point to two different directions simultaneously. This is the physical impossibility. Therefore, field lines can never intersect. It means two lines never intersect at any point. Now, the investigator's tools. Maxwell right-hand thumbs rule. How do we determine the direction of the magnetic field around a current carrying wire? We know when the current carrying in a wire, we can measure the direction of the electric field with help of the Maxwell right-hand thumbs rule. According to this rule, the first, imagine holding the current carrying wire your right hand. Second, point your thumbs in direction of the current eye. Third, the direction in which your fingers curl or wrap around the wire gives the direction of the magnetic field's line B. It means the current is always perpendicular to magnetic field. Also, magnetic field is perpendicular the direction of the current. Magnetic field we can see around the current carrying conductor. Application. This rule reveals that the magnetic field lines around a straight wire are connecting the circles. Now we see next page. Shaping the fields from the straight wire to a solenoid. First, the straight conductor. Second, the circular loop. Third, the solenoid. First, we studied about the straight conductor. Field shape. The concentric circle. Factors affecting strength of B directly proportional to current, since B proportional I. Second, inversely proportional to distance from the wire. B inversely proportional 1 upon R. Now we are studying about the circular loop. Here we can see the circular loop effect. The magnetic field is concentrated at the center of the loop. Magnetic, the clock face rule. Looking at the loop face as a clockwise current creates south pole and anti-clockwise current cross a north pole. Now we are looking the solenoid. In the solenoid we can see the north pole and south pole, and effect of the solenoid effect creates a strong and nearby uniform magnetic field inside the coil. The strength is the proportional to the number of the turns. It means the magnetic field depends on the number of the turns of the coils and proportional to carrying current. Now we see the नेक्स्ट पे बस हो गया. The powerful consequence, a force emerges from the intersecting field. Here we can see a magnet at a U-types north pole and south pole. We can see the current carrying the horizontal line and force acting on the perpendicular line to the conductor. The scenario. First, the current carrying wire has its own magnetic field. Second, we place this wire inside an external magnetic field, for example, from a permanent magnet. Third, the two magnetic fields interact. Fundamental principle. A conductor carrying a current experiences a force when placed in a magnetic field. This force can make the conductor move. Now we see the next way. Predicting the motion, two rules for the finding the force. How do we determine the direction of the force or the thrust on the conductor? Method 1. Fleming left hand rule. According to Fleming left hand rule, we can see we spread the three fingers of the left hand as a thumbs and near two fingers. The forefinger field B direction of the magnetic field north to south. Middle fingers I or C direction of the current I. Thumbs thrust force या direction of the resulting force. That is the left hand rule. Now pro tips method 2, right hand palm rule. According to this rule, the magnetic field shows by the fingers of the right hand and current shows the thumbs of the right hand at the force of the conductor. The fingers point in the direction of the magnetic field B, thumbs point the direction of the current I, palm the direction of your palm pushes in the direction of the force F. This method of the often faster and more intuitive than the Fleming's rule. Now we see the next. Applying the rule force in the action. Use Fleming left rule for the right hand palm rule the determination the direction of the force in each cases. Scenario 1. Electron entering field. What is the direction of the force of the electron? Force is the downward. Applying the rule of the field in the current in the left, force in the down. Now scenario 2, wire in the magnetic field. We can see the current is the pointed inside it and the direction of the magnetic field to perpendicular upward direction. What is the direction of the force on the wire? Force is to be left. Applying the rule, the field in the up, current is out, force is left. That is, remember the direction of the conventional current I is the opposite to the direction of the electron flow. So the current is the inside to the left. Now we see next. The bridging at home, the domestic electric circuit. Live wire rate. High potential 220 volt carried at the current from the sources. This is the dangerous wire. Neutral wires black, zero potential, complete the circuit allowing current a return to the sources. Earth wire green, safety wire 0 volt connected to a metal plate deep to the in the ground. Now we see independence operation. If one application fails in the other continue to work. Proper voltage. Every appliance reveals the full supply voltage to 120 volts. Varying current. Each appliance can draw the specific amount of current it needs to operate the correctly. Now we see the next. The Guardian's protection against the electrical hazard. The hazards. Overloading. Overloading. Drawing more current than a circuit is designed to the handle safety. Short circuit. The live wires comes in the direct contact with the neutral wires. The danger. In both cases, the exclusive current produces imaging heat. Heat directly proportional to the square of the current, which can melt wires and causes fires. The safety mechanism. Electric fuse. A safety device with a wire made of an alloy with low melting point and high resistance. Earthing. Connecting the metal casing of the appliance to the earth wire to save the device. Now we see next the electromagnet, the toolkit, a summary for the key principle, field from the current sources, rules, the Maxwell right hand thumbs rule, purpose to find the direction of the magnetic field B created by an electric current I. Thumbs, current, curling fingers, field direction. Now, force from a field intersection rule, Fleming left hand rule, purpose to find the direction of the force F on the current carrying wire in the external magnetic field B. Force equal to field, middle finger equal to current, thumbs denoted by force. Now we see the field shape. The straight wire concentric circular field line. The circular loop concentrated field in the center. Solenoid field is strong, uniform inside and resemble a bar magnet field. Safety in the circuit application. Fuse protect against overcurrent by the melting of the breaking of the circuit, low melting point and high resistance. Earthing the protect from the electric shock by the providing a safe path for the false from the scientific unit of the everyday, the safety, the journey, the recapped. We started wire to separate forces, electric and the magnetic. Oersted discovered the reveal they are two sides of the same coin. Electromagnetism. This is the uniform example how current create field, how interacting field create force, and ultimately how motors work. Now we see the line covering the final takeaway. The understanding the magnetic effect of the electric current is not just the abstract science, it is the fundamental knowledge of allow us to build the technologies that power our world and immediately the safe system for protect our homes. Now we see the next. Thank you so much nice. Please like, share and subscribe.